Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today it's Will It Shave Wednesday, and I'm going to wet my face to get my shave on. Got 3, maybe going on the 4th day of growth. And I need a shave. I'm starting to get a little itchy. Back in Southern Illinois, got something on my shirt. And man, going from 87 degrees to 6 degrees. Got the old sinuses going. I hate it. SpongeBob would say, I've got the suds. All right, today's shave soap is by Wet Shaving Products, and this is Black Amber Vanilla or Vanille. What a nice scent. There's what the tub looks like, and I scraped off the side there. I think the last time I used this, I actually loaded from the tub. And I went back to look on the website because I couldn't really remember, you know, and it has this weird 125 grams for a measurement. Comes out to be a little over 2 ounces. And then I've got the splash, and I couldn't remember exactly how much I paid for it, and I don't know why, but to me it seems a little pricey. And I remember back when I got this, I had ordered something else off the website, and they had sent me a little sample of the bar soap, and this was the sample scent that they sent me. Scent. And I really liked it, and so I was like, I'm gonna have to get it. And I was kind of thinking, like, maybe I'll support them a little bit more and buy some more stuff. But hey, get over here. Oh, Dobie, she's been a little. Come here. Yeah, her nails are clicking. It's time to click them. Oh, Callie, what doing? Anyway, my shaving buddy was distracting me. I think what I was going to say was I was going to buy some more stuff, but it just seemed a little pricey and kind of a gamble on maybe a scent that I'm unfamiliar with, so I didn't do it. Had that whipped up in the HC&C stainless steel bowl in this beautiful Trotter's Handcraft brush. Go ahead and get lathered up here. If I remember correctly, my wife doesn't really like this scent, but I wanted to wear it today. The bar soap, you know, the scent does last with you for about 3 or 4 hours. It's not super strong, but, you know, you just get kind of that mild aroma, and I enjoy that. I enjoyed it. So today's razor is this beautiful Gillette. Oh, just look at it. Goodwill razor. I've talked about this. I had this on the channel before, and one of the things I don't like about it is the idea behind those diamonds. I would like to think was to hold the blade in place very precisely, but that is not the case. You can see the movement there. Terrible. But they did make an adjustment there, and you can see this little tab or this little indent right here does set kind of right in here, and it helps hold that in place. But still, if you have one of these or you're getting one, I would say really make sure, you know, the blade alignment. This is the Gillette Silver Blue I'm going to be using today. And, you know, even with, if I can even get it in there, you can see there's quite a bit of movement even with that. So this particular razor was made in 1931, and this was the only year and the only model of the Gillette Goodwill. I'm just checking my blade alignment. So this was something that kind of started the buy one get one free. So if you bought this razor for $1, you would get, or let me say it the way it's supposed to be said. If you bought the blades for $1, you got the razor for free. And this kind of started the whole buy one get one, or you're buying something that you're really intending to get the other item, if that makes sense. So you would have bought this for $1, and if you go back and, you know, do the research, $1 in 1931 would be like $19.79 in 2024, which is the year that I'm filming. So if you happen to see this in the future, that number is going to skew a little bit. This razor has no problem mowing down the growth, and it is the old style, or the bowl, you know, handle. And it's kind of crazy when you think about it. When people come out with stuff and they're like, new, well, when you come out with something else that's new, what do you call the new version of the new? Bing! I don't think they really thought that through too much. And I'd say, you know, in my neck area, it's going to feel probably a little bit tuggier, just because I have a little bit more hair growth in that area. And you can see the soap. It really has no residual slickness, and it doesn't stay lathered for a really long time. So if I remember right, I don't know what I paid for it originally because I've had it for a couple of years, but I looked on the website this morning and it was like I think it was $26.99, or the Splash was $26.99. The other one was $24.99. Either way, that's a pretty premium price, I think. And you know, after I've shaved with it several times, I think I came to the conclusion it just wasn't one of those things where I wanted to. You can see all the hair that I missed. I just didn't want to buy more scents for this kind of performance in the soap and stuff. There's other options that are out there a little bit better, in my opinion. If you're a WSP lover, comment below, let me know. What do you think? What's your favorite scent? Do you prefer this soap over others? Or any of those kind of things? Feel free to comment. Website is a little bit different than what I remember, and there's not really a section in there for scent profile. And as you can see on this razor, it has that fatal flaw of the press fit, but it doesn't stop it from working. And to me, that adds a little bit of character. So, let's see, I got a little note here. Yeah, so the whole diamond thing here, like I said, you know, I would like to have thought that it was to hold the blade more precisely, and it was really designed to get people away from the 3-hole blade designs, because that was when Gillette was, I think ultimately he wanted to give people a good shave, you know, at home. But we all know that businessmen are out there to make money. And at some point he realized people were copying the blades and such, and he wanted to make the profit off the blades. So they changed the design. And like I said, this was only a 1-year release, so I don't know, I haven't really looked too much into it, but I don't know if they had changed, you know, to a different pin system or something. Still got a little bit down there I probably need to catch up on, but anyway, I'm gonna get cleaned up with some cold water and I'll be right back. So I don't think I really said exactly, but I think those diamonds were just the dirty little secret to get people to buy more Gillette blades. And that was, you know, the start of the whole kind of, not really say cartridge, but, you know, it was onto that mode of thinking. Get the customer to buy blades and not really razors. Here's the Splash. Can't really remember the feel to this or anything. It does say that there's alcohol and witch hazel in it with some glycerin, and I do like the amber bottle to it. Let's see what it feels like. Ooh, that just could be my nose, but it has a little bit of a kind of a sweeter, smoky vanilla scent to it. I do enjoy that. No burn. Really no, you know, I don't feel any extra stuff, so we'll just use the star jelly to help lock in any kind of moisture. The air is very dry here, and I don't know if you guys seen my Facebook post, but I'll put a little picture right here to show you what 87 degrees looks like versus 6. I miss it. All right, so I'll put a little picture right here of everything I used today, and I'll see you guys on the next shave video. You have a great rest of your week.